but this time at Studios. Hey everybody, Ben and Nob here. Today we are enjoying early park admission at Universal Studios, Florida. If you want to enjoy all things Universal Studios, and by all things I mean the Wizarding World, watch this video. We have 5 tips for you to follow so you can have the best early park admission ever.
First things first, what is early park admission? Early park admission is a perk that you get for staying on site at one of the Universal Orlando Resort hotels, or by having a premier annual pass or a preferred annual pass. However, with the preferred annual pass, there are blackout dates which apply. Early park admission allows you access to either studios or islands 1 hour prior to general park admission. Be sure to check which park has early park admission, as well as what time early park admission begins during your Universal Orlando vacation.
We get to be the opening family today. We are stoked. Action. Good morning. My name is Aubrey and I'm here from Georgia. Welcome to Universal Studios, Florida. The gates to the studios are now open. Lights, camera, action. Tip number 1 to rocking EPA, get to the parks early. Security opens 1 hour prior to early park admission. Today, EPA was at 8 a.m., so security opened at 7 a.m. We got to the security checkpoint at 7, went right on through, and then we got in line for the turnstiles about 45 minutes before they're actually gonna open. And that's because we wanted to be at the very front of the line. Also, just to note, during our stay here, EPA is taking place at both islands and studios. We still recommend getting in line as soon as you can so you can be at the front and get to the backs of the parks to enjoy the Wizarding World. Today, we got to do a little something special, so that's unique, but I'm ready to go enjoy the Wizarding World and rock the rest of our EPA experience. Let's go do it.
A fun fact about early park admission is that typically the gates open a little before early park admission officially begins. Early park admission, like we said, began at 8 a.m. this morning. However, the gates opened at 7:45. This just means you get to have more fun in the parks. So definitely get there early.
To enjoying all things EPA at Universal Studios, go ride Gringotts. Gringotts is the ride in the Wizarding World, Diagon Alley, that's available. It's the only ride in here. So that means that the lines can get really long once the rest of the park goers get in. We recommend that you go to Gringotts first, enjoy the experience, and enjoy Diagon Alley in all of its glory. Gringotts is a 3D dark ride roller coaster, and it is absolutely fantastic. We love riding that ride because it just is such an immersive feel as you walk through the queue, and it's a fun roller coaster. You really can't beat it. So enjoy it while it's short, and then follow tip number 3 to do the rest of your EPA experience.
Welcome to Gringotts, safest place on earth.
Tip number 3 for crushing early park admission at Universal Studios is a choose your own adventure. You can either go to Ollivander's, which is right across from Gringotts Bank, where you'll have the wand choosing ceremony. It's super cute for little ones and a very powerful Harry Potter experience. The other option is go to the Leaky Cauldron and get some breakfast. Leaky Cauldron will get very busy during general park admission, so if you have the option, definitely go get some breakfast during early park admission. I'm a little hungry today, so we're gonna choose to go get some breakfast. Let's go get something to eat.
We are at the Leaky Cauldron. What a great spot to stop for a quick breakfast. You can get a traditional English breakfast, an American breakfast, or a pancake breakfast. Whatever you're looking for, I can't say that they all have it all, but they've got some really great options. One pro tip we recommend going with is a kids breakfast. I got the kids pancake breakfast, and it comes with 2 pancakes, sausage, bacon, and a croissant. Now, a key piece I like to note with this breakfast is for the full price of the breakfast, which cost me about $13, I gotta pick any Wizarding World drink as well. It's not a full-size drink, but for a typically $6, $7 drink, like a butterbeer, pumpkin juice, what have you, I get to enjoy it all included. So if you're a pumpkin juice lover, a butterbeer lover, come to the Leaky Cauldron, get yourself a kid's breakfast. So you don't fill up for the day and you can enjoy more snacks later, and grab a butterbeer or your drink of choice and start your day out right. We inhaled that. It was delicious. You can't beat a good pancake. Yes, it was a kid's breakfast. Yes, it was for 2 adults, but we really didn't want much heavy. We're going and having more fun in the park. Like, we've got a lot to do today. He might want a jack of potato later, who knows? So we weren't gonna fill up too much. Just a nice light snack, and we've got more to do. So let's get out of here and we'll go do our next tip. Time to head back to the Muggle world and do one of Ben's favorite things. Tip number 4, ride Minion Mayhem. So you're probably like, why are we going to Minions? Why aren't we just staying in Diagon Alley? Well, we could stay in Diagon Alley, but everybody else is heading back there now. It is 8:45. The park opens to everybody else at 9 a.m. So folks are coming in to experience the last of EPA, and we're gonna go jump on Minions because it's only a 5-minute wait. We're gonna bust that out. The park will open after that, and we've rocked EPA. Let's go do Minions.
The cutest puppy in the world!
Now, where was I? Margot!
What? There was a smudge.
I am evil clown. Fear my red nose. Aliens like you into minions. At first there were a few minor snags.
Hey, it smells like banana!
That ride is adorable. Agnes and the girls absolutely make that ride. Truly one of my favorites. This brings us to our 5th and final tip. Be prepared to leave. General park admission has already started and Diagon Alley is starting to fill up. This park is about to get packed. So if you have a park-to-park ticket, hop on the Hogwarts Express and go enjoy Islands. Or if you don't have a park-to-park ticket, enjoy some of the other rides that Universal Studios has to offer, like Rip Ride Rocket, or head to the back of the park and do Men in Black or E.T. This is going to wrap up our top 5 tips for crushing early park admission at Universal Studios. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for more Universal content. Thanks for watching.
Bye.